Man, oh, look at that there. They're like they just dumped it there. Oh, the airbags is out. Y'all gotta stop. This is why you guys gotta have the camera out. Y'all gotta stop it, bro. Damn. That's the lasers? You could tell they was, oh. Damn, B. Don't touch it, don't touch it. Don't get your hands on it.
It's a competition.
Yeah, that's a comp. Damn, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I do got that slow leak. Nah, your boy wildin', boy. Your boy wildin' with the airbags out. Don't touch it, though. Got the GoPro mount on the top. Oh, let me get out the way. Another one, bro. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, though. All right, yo, pull up right here. Tell me the M4, the rear of the M4 don't look better than M3. I know it got the hips. Well, this one almost got his hips took out. But look.
This one's winking.
Look. Stuff that honestly be making me want to take it easy in my car, bro, because I don't want to push to you people that this stuff is like acceptable. It's not, bro. And this is expensive cars. The last thing I want to do is have my shit looking switched up like this. So like, but yeah, y'all guys gotta take it easy, boy. Damn. Well, let's get out of here. He be wanting to get a crash one off like Copart or something, cause like I rebuild that. Nah, it don't like the frame is bad, cause nah, yeah, the tie rod and everything is definitely bad. The tie rod is definitely bad, cause one wheel is facing the other direction of the other one. He say what?
Whoever owned that, I hope you don't see this video.
So if you guys want to get Driver Mod merch, the link is going to be down below. I haven't uploaded these ones yet because these are all custom. We trying them out. We seeing them, how they look. Let me know how they look. Let me know what you guys think about them. I'm working on getting this stuff made. A lot of people ask me too, like, why don't I just go on like Printify and stuff like that? It makes sense. I get it. It is more streamlined of a process, but I don't know the people that Printify. And I know people that make them shirts. So it's like, I might as well put the money in the pocket. I mean, obviously I take less of a cut. Get them for like $3 a shirt or $5 a shirt or some kind of craziness and make a profit. But I'd rather go to people that I know, put money in their pocket, and then put money in my pocket. So it all kind of works, yo. I don't know.
Everybody eats.
Everybody eat.
If I'm being more.
Yo, life just be lifing. I swear, I'm already running late, and I come in my car to find out I got a slow leak. It might be that little nail thing that's been there probably since I bought the car. It just never leaked, so I decided to just run it how it is, and that's the only thing I see. So I had these tires on here for like 20,000 miles, so I think I might just change them anyway. I have a whole new set of fronts, and those tires look a little worn out in the beginning anyway. I mean, in the front anyway. I don't know. I'll see, but I just might take it to a tire shop because it doesn't make any sense to get rid of a perfectly fine tire if all I gotta do is, you know, a little plug-in. So, what I have planned for today is a special meetup, or a meetup that's kind of special to me. We're gonna link up with, I wanna say my guy, I always say my guy, everybody's my guy, but go check him out, Will Motivation. And I've been watching him forever. Back before his name was Will Motivation. Well, back before his channel name was Will Motivation, I think it was Will Moss. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm pretty sure he's gonna correct me when I see him. But yeah, man, I think the first video I watched, he had a Lamborghini Gallardo, whatever one you wanna call it. And he was doing like a payment video, and boy, oh boy. Oh. Here we go. Just pull up to the shop. I think that's his black right there. I don't know what that cop was looking at. Yo. What's good, brother? Shit, I see you put some sauce on him. This guy Will Carr right here. What's good, bro? Yo, what's good, bro?
330, what up, bro?
All right, everything good? I got you on the camera, brother. What's good, bro? Mike. What's up, Will? Everything good?
Chilling.
Shit's crazy to see you in person now, bro.
Hey, good to see you in person, man. You doing it big with the, I love this color, man.
Yeah, Brooklyn gray, man. Brooklyn, it's a little, it look a lot better when it's clean. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Yeah. What's good, brother? Hey, shit, man. What's going on, brother? Everything good?
Everything good.
Yeah.
What I would like to do, man, is get a ride with you.
Yeah, do your thing.
You a driver.
I mean, I wouldn't say that. You seen Rick
driver.
drive? You seen Rick drive?
Hey. So we lowered it, Mlife downpipe, port injection, of course the tune.
Yeah.
Full flex fuel tune.
Oh, got you. F80 Paul, I'm guessing. These guys the Paul killer. Yeah.
Paul X Mlife, you know the vibes.
That's nice though, man. I like the black. Oh, it's just got an OTS map. That's it.
I see you burn up the road.
Nah.
Alright, so.
Well, it's definitely cleaner in here than mine, boy. Definitely cleaner. Got some sauce. Look at this thing. This dude killing it. He got. I'm gonna block out the tag, but it's still got the paper tags on it, and it's tuned everything. A whole sauce. Probably make a lot more power than mine, honestly. I'm gonna take him for a ride in mine, so I guess to give him a little sneak peek.
You got the bucket seats in here.
Yes, sir.
I've seen a bunch of cops around here, so man, don't get.
Yeah. I know.
Don't get in trouble on my part. Nah. Thinking about getting rid of this?
Yo, see, here's the thing, right? I have a hard time explaining it to people, but it's like it's a good car. It surprises me. You know what I mean? So it's like it's kind of hard. Like, so you just nail it. It's a little. Oh, it's in third gear. My bad. I'm over here getting all nervous and stuff. If it was in first, it would have spun a little bit. But yeah, yo, the car just really surprises me a lot. It's on E50 now.
How long have you had this one?
Like a little over a year, maybe.
Okay.
A year and some change. So it's with traction off, second gear. Yeah, she goes. You gotta be slick. A lot of people don't know or pay attention, but I don't go crazy all the time. If you pay attention, I'll turn traction control on and off.
Okay.
Like, I'll spin a little bit and then turn it off, because this car gets crazy.
What is it that you're doing when you...
What's up?
Like, I see you sliding it, right?
Yeah.
And you'll come out of the slide, and then you'll hit the gear shift. Is that because you got a manual or you...
Yeah, well, yeah, it's all about wheel speed. You don't want to do it automatic. Because if the gear change without you knowing it, that wheel speed just starts going, and it'll kick you out more.
Okay.
So I'll ride out, let me roll the windows up. I'll ride out the gear until it starts to catch traction again, and then I'll go into the next gear, like when it's redlining.
Okay.
Because if you hit it too fast and that torque comes in, if you in a corner, it'll go out more.
Okay.
Yeah. And honestly, you just modulate the gas. Like,
but are you shifting? Yeah. With the constant? I mean,
I switch from time to time. When you coming out of a slide, I do this. Because I know
might be turned,
yeah. So if the wheel's upside down and I hit the wrong, I know this stays how it is.
Okay, that's what it is. Okay, gotcha.
Let's see if I can find a quick little. She's pretty quick. Your car is definitely gonna be a lot faster because you got a custom map.
This one feels.
This is what boot mode came with.
This one feels pretty much the same, bro. Dang. How you got some? Brakes are good.
Yeah.
So
you gotta trust them.
You got any noteworthy kills in the car?
Racing wise, yo, believe it or not, I went to race everybody when I was stock. Like all my boys, RS3s, my boy got Turbo S. I knew I was gonna get beat by these cars, but my goal was to race them and then race them when I'm tuned. Okay. Because it was easier to race them when I was stock. Now that I got the car tuned, nobody wants it. It's the craziest thing.
They don't want it. Did you beat the RS3 stock?
Nah, he was tuned.
He was tuned.
Yeah, he was tuned. Okay. Stock, yeah, I would definitely beat him. So like certain areas like this where it's really tight, I like brake boost just to get the wheel spinning.
You know this area?
A little bit. Okay. So I would spin like this, like. Yeah. The brake booster makes it a little bit easier.
So, okay, what was that? The DSC. What you doing with the DSC?
The traction's off.
Okay. Oh, that's right. It's fully off.
He helped us out. That's a cop. I was about to say, you might as well keep going. Here she goes, man.
God dang. Alrighty. So if you got rid of this, what would you get?
Honestly, that's the problem. Everything else is like very expensive that can drive like this. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I wanted a Turbo S until I seen the price.
Oh, your Turbo S is up there.
But she goes, man. She stops. Dang. If I go this way, it's a little bit more fun.
God dang. And this channel is called Slow Speed. Where the channel name come from?
Honestly, so I had a detailing thing that I did, and that's what I called it, Slow Speed.
How long did it take you to get used to the car?
Honestly, it's pretty easy to drive, and I came from the M340, so it's the same but with less initial torque.
Okay, so get the tires going a little bit. Yeah. He can drive, y'all. Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him, man. He can drive. I've seen the videos, bro. Yo. See, I gotta get used to my car.
So the thing is, when it starts getting sketchy with this car's automatic trans, just go up in the next gear.
Yo, New York ass, bro.
Rear wheel drive, it holds. It'd be a lot of state troopers up here.
Yeah, we don't want no problems.
They ain't catching us regardless, but I just don't like to even start the stuff. You know what I mean? I'd rather just, you know, everybody play fair, you know, we have our fun, but then we
don't need no problem.
Exactly. But it handles, man.
So what you just hit that right there? What?
Oh yeah, just hit the gear. So honestly, the brakes getting hot. Yeah, the car is like, I kind of feel it now, so I can tell you when to like when to upshift, because it's all about the power band. So you don't really want to take a corner and give it too much gas. So I'll give it enough gas I possibly can, and then once I get in the power band, I go into the next gear so it doesn't start to rotate.
Okay. Yeah. This thing feel crazy, bro. God damn.
There's a problem when you drive crazy. You have like Infinity try to test you and stuff like that. Yeah, but
they don't want no parts.
Oh no, don't race any Infinity Nissan product out here in New York. Don't do it. Don't do it, brother. It's
all right, so tell them about the channel, man. Y'all like, I know you got a lot of BMW.
Yeah, I had plenty of BMWs. This is my first M car that I've had. I'm not sure how I learned how to do the stuff that I do as far as driving. I just learned throughout the years. I had a 435 that I spent probably like,
it's a nice looking car.
Yeah, 20. It's like the F82, but it's the F32. I spent like probably $20,000-$30,000 on like trying to build, and you can't make a non-M a M.
Okay.
You know, at like 600 wheel, everything started to break, but the motor.
Okay.
You know, everything has been replaced on that car, but the transmission.
You still got it?
Nah.
Okay.
I had like a love-hate relationship with it. Ever since then, I've gotten the M340, and I learned that these newer BMW platforms with a downpipe and a tune,
crazy,
and some E, it's like it'll upset you with how good the car takes those mods, bro.
Bro, I'm impressed.
It's insane, because in the end, you remember doing so much back in the days to your cars to just get minimal gains, where these cars just walks the other thing right. It walked my whole $20,000 bill right out of the park. Walked it.
You're asking what's going on.
Yeah, it's all about the power band.
But yo, this car feels crazy strong. Like, if I had to put my money on it, on a race to like a road race, I think this could take the Turbo S.
Yeah, well, we're gonna run it soon. I'm gonna throw the drag tires on, and I think he said next week Monday is free.
So y'all know, go subscribe to his channel to see what happens.
Oh no, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. If not, I'm tuning it the next day, and I'm gonna get him the next day.
So you got the boot mod?
Yeah, off the shelf.
Off the shelf. Yo, it feels real strong, bro.
Yeah.
And I saw you did one of your videos. You had like transmission tuning or something.
Yeah, so I have XHP Trans Flash too, so it shifts really hard.
Okay.
Yeah, like it's like almost F82 hard.
Okay.
Did you do a Trans Flash of yours?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, you'll know when you turn it all the way up, it shifts so hard the rear end feels like it's gonna like come off the car. But oh yeah, the gear shifter thing, power band. It's a power band thing. That's why I shift the gears.
Okay.
Because these cars, even when tuned, they don't have that torque down low. Like you'll see when I first mash it, it won't leave as hard.
Okay.
You gotta build
That's why
boost.
that's why you holding the brake.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Even the all-wheel drive cars, you gotta build boost. It's similar to like a big turbo car because the compression of the motor is low.
Okay.
So you need more boost to make the power.
Okay.
And I think that's why inherently the car doesn't break out as much as the F80s do and F80s too.
Okay.
But
once it gets going,
it's on. Once it gets going, it's going. It's like a freight train.
God.
But in order to break grip and drive like it's a Hellcat, like effortlessly, because you punch it, CTSV, Hellcat, F80, it's spinning. Even my M340 was like that. The way they designed it, it had that wall of torque on the beginning. This is built for more motorsports to track, keep the RPMs high.
Yeah.
So what do you think, man? You made it back in one piece.
Well, what I think, man, hell of a car, hell of a driver. Y'all make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. You got me thinking about like the carbon fiber mods and what I'm gonna do to mine. But I mean, from what I've seen, bro, you got the best import channel. Yeah. So I appreciate you coming to check me out. And
listen, I appreciate you taking me to ride, man. You know,
of course, dude. Like, I had to look you up.
I couldn't do the same thing that people do. Like when they sit in the package, I couldn't do it, bro. I'd be scared. Man, this guy's killing it over there in life, man. Pardon me, brother. Yeah, you guys take it easy, all right?
You too, buddy.
All right. Single turbo loaded soon, man. Look at that. Yeah, they putting some sauce in there, man. These guys is crazy, man. I be thinking my car is fast, but I think a KLM single turbo kit going in one of their cars. Insane. But I'm about to get up out of here. I'm tired. Just like that. Back to the reality. 2 miles an hour in traffic. I was talking to Will off camera, and like I said, I've been following this channel for a long time, right? Cars are cool. We're all car guys. I enjoy looking at people's builds and people looking at my builds, asking me questions and certain things. He's really transparent with how he deals with certain situations as far as real estate stuff and his strategies on his channel, and that's why I encourage you guys to check it out. He has sick cars too, Lambos, M4, Ferrari, but I'm not sure exactly what he has in his stable right now. I think he has the new RS3, he sold it, he got the M4. I don't really remember. He switches cars a lot, but what I can say is I appreciate every time I watch his channel, especially with the real estate stuff, I gain knowledge, and that allows me to really, I guess, decide whether it's for me or not. You know, there's like a million different ways to skin a cat. You know, to drive M4s, make money, have big houses and stuff like that. That's just one way. And you know, he really explains things and breaks things down to help me understand whether it's not for me or for me. You know, so I can respect that. I shout out to that dude, man. I love meeting up with content creators, you guys filming, because you always gain knowledge, you know. That's one of the names of his car. So I think the Lambo, and then Knowledge 2.0 or something like that. I remember that, man. That's the poor thing. Like I said, I rock with the guy, man. I feel like saying he's my guy, but you know, it's my first time ever meeting him. So just like that, man. We back, all in one piece. Look. All my fenders in place. No scrape marks, but we're gonna chill out. We're gonna take it easy, man. I've been wilding out a little bit. You gotta love it, though. Whew. Somebody really gotta do something about this, though. What the? This couldn't have moved in mad long. Got bird shit all over it. Sheesh.